Hey guys, I'm sorry I look like shit, and I'm sorry that the lighting isn't the best, but I got back from the hospital not that long ago. I have a really bad asthma reaction to a virus that I've got, and we thought I might have pneumonia, so good news, it's not pneumonia. After this video, I'm going to either take a shower or go to my friend's house and take a bath. One of the two, because I need it. But my new camera has come in the mail today, and I am way too excited. I want to open it right now, so I'm not going to take the time to put makeup on or anything. I have opened the box. I didn't really go through it. It's still packaged. I opened one of these lenses just to see if it was real, because I'm not entirely trusting of online sales. So this lens is in fact real, but I'm going to open those after I open the camera and everything else. And then I'll play with the camera maybe tomorrow or another time. So I suppose right now how I look isn't the most important. I'm just gonna do my best while sick. This is the biggest thing. It's the camera pack. I've never had a camera pack this size, but I'm really glad to have it. I don't know how to say that. Zit? Dividers for the camera's supposed to go up here and lenses and stuff. That's awesome. I want to open this. Seems legit so far. It's got all of these things like it's pretty much brand new. A disc with software for what? The lens. That's the lens that comes with the camera itself. And then this should be the body. Oh my god. Look at that. It's beautiful. And the viewfinder comes out like this, so I could see myself. One of the problems with the other Canons was that the viewfinders didn't even flip over, but oh my goodness. It's got a thing for a mic, it's got a flip-up camera, or a flip-up light. This is something that I wanted because it seems like it would help a lot, because this camera is so big that I worry about dropping it. So this camera came with a strap so that you can hold on to the camera without dropping it. And now for the extra lenses. This one says it's Pro HD Series 43 times high definition wide angle lens. My hands are shaking because I had to have a nebulizer earlier, so the albuterol does that. Oh wow, that looks nice. Holy! You could see how it magnifies. Wow! Even with this camera here, this wouldn't fit on there, but even with that camera, this is working. That's fun. Wide angle and macro. Does that mean that part comes off too? It does! So essentially this lens is two lenses in one. There's the wide angle lens and a macro lens, but together, there's a macro lens inside, but together it makes it a wide angle lens. Let me see. Look at that. And then together, oh wow, that is awesome. I've been wanting a macro lens. So this is perfect. I'll be able to do better nail art tutorials. Even though that's not something I've been planning to do in the first place. I really like that these individual lenses come in these leathery little pouches to keep them safe. It's perfect. The next lens is Pro HD Series High Definition Telephoto Lens. This is the one I opened earlier. I don't know what telephoto means. This one doesn't come apart into two lenses, but let's see what this does, if it does anything. Ooh. Kinda interesting. I'll have to play with it on my other camera, on this camera right here. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go now, and I'm gonna play with this camera a little bit, and get back to you with what I find out. Wow, okay. That's a really nice autofocus. One of the things that I want to do pretty soon is to go to Best Buy and get a microphone. But this is, I haven't heard how my voice sounds on this yet, so I'll figure that out later. Let's hope it's not so bad. A microphone would be much appreciated though. Now I'm going to try different lenses, so bear with me here. This is the lens that came with the camera. Pretty plain, typical. So now let's try these three. This lens is called the High Definition Telephoto Lens, 58mm. Jeez. I don't entirely know what that means, except that I'm sitting in the same spot and it's right in my face. Next lens! The next lens I will do is the HD wide angle lens, and then I'll just take this off and do the macro lens right here. That's this part. Okay, yeah, that's definitely wide angle. I'm still sitting in the same spot. Haven't gone anywhere. I'm crouching down a little because I just set this on a box of tarot cards. I'm too tired to legitimately set anything up, so that's why you're dealing with my face. And prepare to be disgusted, because now I'm going to try the macro lens. Look at my fingerprints! Holy shit! Let's get close to my face. Whoa. Ew, I do need to take a shower. I'm gonna do that. I've wanted to see my irises in HD, and those were all of my lenses. That was very interesting. I will definitely make use of this camera as much as I can for both video and photo. So now what I'm going to do is put this on the computer and see how my voice sounds. This is the end of the video. Thank you for listening to me, like, at all, even watching. It's weird, since I'm so sick and not willing to put makeup on or present myself, because I'm probably just gonna pass out pretty soon. Johnny.